To the day 14 of learning Python. Today in this video we are going to see what are the functions. Functions is nothing but the piece of code that contains some specific well-defined tasks to perform in Python. There are four types of function, that is built-in function, user-defined function, lambda function, and recursive function. Here built-in function refers to the function that is given by the designer or programmer while developing the programming language. That is inbuilt function. Here the inbuilt function is like this. I take the inbuilt math functions as example. Here math.factorial represents the factorial value. That is here for factorial for the value is 24 and math.sqrt means square root. Here it performs the square root of 25 and the value is 5. Here math.pow means power. Here what the value that is given in the first will become at the base and what the value we given in the second will become at the power, that is 2 cube equal to 8. And here last one math.pi equal to, here pi value is always constant, that is 3.14. And the second one is the difference function. If we want to define our own function, then we use the def keyword before the function name like this. Here I give the function name as fun. After giving the function name, we have to put parentheses and we have to write the statements that are to be executed and the function is called. After writing the statements, we have to call the function for execute the function like this. If we call the function with its name, that is fun, the output will be generated like this, hello. And the third one is lambda function. Lambda function is also called anonymous function. Why? Because it doesn't contain any name and it is also a simplest form of function. Here the lambda function can be executed in one line. It is useful for simple tasks or short tasks. Here lambda function is defined by using lambda keyword. Here the lambda function syntax will be like this. Here we have to perform the square of number, that is like this. Here we write square 5 square is 25. Here the output is generated like this. And the last one is recursive function. Recursive function works same as the loops concepts in Python. It executes the function repeatedly until the given condition is satisfied, or otherwise it calls itself repeatedly until the given condition is satisfied. These are the two types of definitions for recursive function.